Hi, Sophia here. I am so excited to partner with Level 8 today because they're having a Black Friday 30 days of 20% off all of their suitcases. And you already know by now, if you've been following my channel, I'm a huge fan of Level 8. Everything about this suitcase is the highest quality. It has the most beautiful workmanship and very stylish. When you travel with this, you feel chic while you're on the go. I have a trip coming up. I'm going to be gone for 10 days in Europe, and I'm taking this and a big handbag, and everything's going to fit in here and I won't have to check it in. 20 inches is what is perfect for travel abroad and domestically, and it has all the features that Level 8 has and then some. Starting with this beautiful hard shell that is German made. It's Macrolon polycarbonate, and it has such a nice hard shell to it, such a beautiful finish to it. I love this new design, and I'm going to show you all the features that, once again, I love on this suitcase. Starting with what makes it exceptional, this trolley handle. It's wide. It's so easy to walk through the airport with this. It has two different heights depending on your height. It goes shorter, it goes higher. It can spin like a dime. So easy, the spinning. It has the feet at the bottom, and it has a handle on the side, and it has a top handle for easy carrying as well. It also has this TSA security. So wonderful the way this clicks in. You have the numbers here, and then you just press against here, it clicks it open, and then you're ready to pack your suitcase. It also is expandable. You can add a lot more if you need more space. And wait till I show you the inside. Look at this design. It's like a little trunk. It has a separate zipper up in here to put things that you want to keep apart from here, or even your laptop fits in here beautifully. I have a 15-inch laptop, and I'm going to be taking it with me. It slides right in, no problem. And the styling, look how beautiful. Level 8 right there, very nice. And then in here, zippered pockets, just press it to open. And there's another zipper over here, a hidden zipper. I'm going to be able to pack everything and see everything at a glance. This is so convenient. I love the fact that I've got these little zipper compartments. I have this one. I have this one down here as well. A nice deep pocket on the inside part of it. The lining is beautiful. It's a light color, so I can see everything in here at a glance. Everything's going to fit beautifully, and if it doesn't, if I need a little more space, that's where I go to the other zipper. You have a zipper that goes all the way around that you can extend it for additional room. Just unzip it, and voila, more space. Such a nice, sleek design to it. I love this black front on it. I love this bright yellow. When I have traveled with Level 8 luggage, I always get comments from the flight attendants, from the gate agent. Other passengers are like, wow, that is a really sharp suitcase, and I just love it. The other thing that is so pretty about this is the logo right here, the way it's embossed, Level 8. Beautiful. All in all, a winner. I love this style. This is called the Adventure. I have a fabulous discount for you. As I mentioned earlier, there is a 20% off coupon, but I also have a personal code of 10% off that is good for year-round. So if you don't buy something during their Black Friday, which why wouldn't you, but if you don't need a suitcase then and you want to get something later, you can use my 10% coupon. It's good year-round on all of their suitcases. So take a look. I'm in love with this one, but I know when you go to their website, you're going to fall in love with what they have. They also have accessories that are fantastic, beautiful luggage tags, wonderful packing cubes. It comes wrapped so nicely in this very soft felt-like fabric. It has a little drawstring that I keep mine stored in my bags to keep them perfect. This is how it arrives. The suitcase itself weighs 9 pounds. 9 pounds of a beautifully crafted suitcase that you will feel stylish and you will be very comfortable traveling with, because you can put it in your overhead compartment and not have to worry about checking it in. Happy traveling. Don't forget about this sale. Tell your friends, tell your family. Maybe you can all go in together and get some suitcases for each other for Christmas or Hanukkah or any of the holidays you celebrate. I hope you enjoyed this, and happy shopping, everyone. See you on the next video.